Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a complete Docker environment using OpenCode, the AI coding agent, and we'll be using PHP 8.3, MySQL 8.0, Apache and phpMyAdmin. Okay, so we will do this complete setup and after this we will install the Laravel 12 project. So let's set up the Docker environment. Okay, so here what I'm going to do is I'm going to open a new terminal. Okay, and I have open code installed. So you need to have code installed, and you also need to have Docker desktop. So you can see my containers over here. And what I will do here is I will just type open code. So I will start this open code AI coding agent. And here you can also select the models. So I'm going to select. So you can see you can switch the models over here. So I'm just going to stay with this big pickle model over here. And then what I'm going to do is I have created a prompt which I'm going to paste. So I would give you this prompt into the description so you can use this prompt as well. And uh, and then I'm going to paste this. Okay, so this will create the Docker file, then it should create docker-compose.yml file, and it should also create index.php file. So let me run this, okay, and you can see it will take some time. So I'm saying I just want this file, so I don't want it to run docker compose up. Okay, so let's set up the Docker files. Okay, so let it set up the Docker files now. So you can see a Docker file has been created and index.php file has been created. Okay, so you can see everything has been created over here. Okay, and a Docker file is also here with all the packages that are to be installed. Okay, and you can see index.php file here. Okay. So this will tell us the server is running. Okay, so now what we will do is we will run Docker Compose up. So I will say Docker Compose up over here and I will run this. So you can see that it created this files and it has already installed everything and okay, let me go and see if the container is running, and you can see that the container is running. In your case, it might take longer time, so it will install the packages and it will uh, run this. So now what we will see is so now what we will do is we will run this. Okay, so I have not installed a lot of packages, hence it was very fast. So now I will run this localhost 8080 and it should you can see that my PHP 8.3.3 Apache is running and hello from Laravel server stack. And if I put here one, I think this is phpMyAdmin. Okay. Okay. And I have to log in. Okay. Okay. So it is giving me this password and the username that it created. But in my cases, I used to get logged in the first time. So I'm just going to use the 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 username and the password. So let me use Laravel. Okay, so let me use Laravel and secret as the password. So let me just go to the browser and say Laravel and secret. Okay, and you can see that I'm connected to phpMyAdmin now, and you can see this is our DB. Okay, so in the next video, let's learn how to install more packages, install Laravel on this, and how to configure it using this coding agent. So thank you for watching, guys, and do put your queries into the comments, and I will provide the link to this prompt into the description.